Dear friends, friends from the LIS profession, the LIS associations, and the publishing industry. A very good morning to you all. I'm happy to extend a hearty welcome to you all to the Help LIS Mission webinar on support to COVID-19 affected LIS professionals, families, and launching of the Help LIS Mission. At the outset, our sincere thanks to each one of you for your august presence and most importantly, for standing by the LIS profession and professionals at the time of humanity is reeling under the devastations of the pandemic. As we all know, the whole world is at war with the coronavirus now. COVID-19 has damaged almost every country, its people, and its economies, and the jobs and livelihoods of tens of thousands of them, maybe tens of millions of them. Undoubtedly, the education sector has also been affected so badly and severely. India has been relentlessly fighting against COVID-19, and we hope soon we will come out of this pandemic. India has been locked down multiple times for the past 2 years. Unfortunately, the second wave of COVID-19 is taking a toll on the precious lives of our fellow citizens in a more significant number across the country. Counts are still going on. The LIS fraternity also has lost many of our dynamic and dedicated library professionals due to COVID-19 infection and the resultant complications. Our hearts go out to those bereaved families and join them in these times of extreme grief. Rising to the occasion, a group of like-minded LIS professional associations and some of the publishing firms joined together and have decided to assist the COVID-19 affected professionals and the deceased professionals' families in the best possible way, though in a modest manner. The group met virtually on May 15, 2021. It unequivocally resolved that as stakeholders in the profession and the industry, the dire need of the hour is to be courageous, be committed, and compassionate to our fraternity. The LIS group unanimously decided to start a mission to support the COVID-19 affected LIS professionals and their families in case of their deaths. The meeting decided to name this mission Help LIS Mission. However small it may be, our earnest endeavor is to reach out to them and extend solidarity to offer support to those deprived families. On behalf of the Help LIS Mission, I would like to profusely thank and place on record our sincere gratitude to all the founding members of the LIS Association, associations and the publishing firms for their wholehearted support and services to the mission. We would also like to take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to all the newly joining professionals, LIS associations, and the publishing firms who are offering their support and services to the Help LIS Mission. The objective of Help LIS Mission is to give the message to the LIS professionals that they are not alone, and the LIS profession would like to stand with those affected, though in a modest manner. Even though these times may seem very bleak, the objective of Help LIS Mission is to give the message to the LIS professional that they are not alone, and the LIS professional would like to stand with those affected in a modest manner. We have come together thus far precisely on the strength of our solidarity and one of them, and as one team, and with the ownership mindset that will keep fighting this adversity until we win. Friends, Help LIS Mission is the first of its kind in India and a unique experiment, and the success of which solely lies with all of us, with our unconditional support of the LIS professionals and our well-wishers. At this juncture, we cordially invite each one of you to join the Help LIS Mission and offer your valuable support and services to this noble and common cause. We are looking forward to your financial assistance and personal volunteering by identifying and supporting and reporting to the mission about the COVID-affected LAS professionals across the country. Friends, let's not give up. There are better days ahead of us. Until that time comes, we pray that our affected as well as bereaving families find the strength they need to cope through this loss. With the blessings, prayers, and permission of all our stakeholders, I'm happy to officially declare that the Help LAS Mission portal is inaugurated. Professor P.V. Konnur, President LAS Academy, will introduce the Help LAS Mission portal, highlighting the objectives, activities, services, and procedures. And let us continue to support each other and remain optimistic about the future. Please take the best care of yourselves, each other, and your loved ones. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.